Hello friends, today's topic is Euler's equation of motion. Euler's equation of motion is help to derive Bernoulli's equation. In this Euler equation, we have to consider a small fluid element whose length is ds and cross-sectional area is dA. In this fluid element, we have some pressure force and weight of the element itself. Pressure force is PdA, which is acting along the direction of flow. Another pressure force is P plus del P by del S ds into dA, which is acting opposite to the direction of flow. Weight of the element which is acting vertically downward, W is equal to mg. It can also be written as rho into volume. Volume is dA into ds into g. Now we have to resultant the force. Resultant force is equal to mass into acceleration, because this is the equation of motion. Resultant force is PdA, this PdA which is acting along the direction of flow, minus P plus del P by del S into d del P by del S into ds into dA minus rho dA ds g cos theta is equal to mass. It may be written as rho dA ds into acceleration s. Okay, this is the equation number 1. Now firstly we have to find the acceleration. Here acceleration is equal to dv by dt, and velocity is a function of s and t. So by the use of partial differentiation, as is equal to del v by del s into del s by del t plus del v by del t. So here this del v by del t is equal to 0 because the steady flow, and this del s by del t is equal to v. So as is equal to v del v by del s. Okay, so this acceleration is put into the equation number 1. इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में जब हम इसे रखेंगे PdA minus PdA minus del P by del S into ds into dA minus rho dA ds g cos theta is equal to rho dA ds, and here acceleration is v del v by del s. Okay, now this is simplified. del p, and this equation is divided by rho dA ds. इस पूरी इक्वेशन में हम रो dA ds का डिवाइड करेंगे. रो dA ds का डिवाइड करने पे हमें मिलेगा 1 अपॉन रो डेल पी बाय डेल एस प्लस जी कॉस थीटा प्लस वी del v by del s. Okay, so from this cos theta is equal to dz upon ds. यहाँ पे मैं dz upon ds रख देता हूँ, तो 1 अपॉन रो dp by ds प्लस g dz upon ds प्लस v dv upon ds is equal to 0. क्लियर? तो नाउ ds को कॉमन ले लें. ds को कॉमन ले लेंगे तो आ जाएगा dp अपॉन रो प्लस जी डी जेड प्लस वी डी वी is equal to 0. And this is known as Euler's equation of motion.